How to fix not eligible for TikTok account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error of not being eligible for a TikTok account. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's just head on and open the TikTok app right here. And once you're on the profile page, you should see this option to sign up for an account. Just click on sign up and choose any of these options. So I'm just going to click on use phone or email right here. So the first information that you need to know is that you need to be 13 years old and above, because these are the only users who are eligible for a TikTok account, as this is for security reasons. In some countries, the age requirement might be 16 years old and above. So first thing you need to do is enter your valid birthday, your real and valid birthday. For example, if you entered an invalid birthday, like the age is not met, for example, right here. So this will show the error of not being eligible for TikTok. And once you go back and set your real birthday, the error might still pop up like that. So to solve this, the first thing that we're going to check is if our TikTok app is up to date. So let's just go to the App Store right here. Search on the search bar, TikTok. Click on that. And if it says update right here, just click on that and it will update your app and make sure that all the bugs are fixed. So if you have made sure that your TikTok is up to date and the error still remains, let's just go to the settings. Click on general right here. Click on iPhone storage. Scroll through the apps and click on TikTok. And what you're going to do is upload the app. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. So don't worry, as this will not delete your drafts, only the storage used by the app. So just click on upload app, and wait for it to load. And this might reset things and fix the error of not being eligible for TikTok account. So and just click on reinstall app once it has done being uploaded. Once your TikTok app has been reinstalled, just open that back up. Click on profile page again and sign up, and repeat those steps, and make sure that you don't make a mistake of entering a wrong birth date that is not eligible to make a TikTok account. But if that error still pops up, the next thing that you have to try is go to Safari or any default browser you have, and just type in the search bar right here, tiktok.com, and that will open the website of TikTok. Just click on Not Now right here so we can navigate through this site, and click on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Click on that and click on Sign Up. Click on Use Phone or Email. And again, don't make the mistake of entering a wrong birthday that is not eligible for a TikTok account. So, for example, this should not show any error if you click on Next. So that can solve this error, and just enter your email and continue on making your account. So if the error still persists like this, it's just enter a random birthday. And if this error still pops up, just take a screenshot like this. Click on OK, go back to the page, and click on this question mark button at the top right corner. So what you're going to do is report this certain problem. So let's just click on the other option right here. Wait for it to load. And click on Need More Help. So just type in right here, I cannot sign up. So just type something like that and click on this image icon right here and attach that certain screenshot that we just did. Click on Confirm and just click on Report right here. And then you would have to wait from TikTok on any response that they may have in solving this particular issue. And that is how you can basically fix not eligible for TikTok account. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.